Hello guys, welcome to Tech Galaxy. So we'll be looking at how to load our Visual Studio Code from a different extension path. So I'll basically I'll basically load my Visual Studio Code, open it the normal way it's being opened. I'll go to my Visual Studio and I'll find my Visual Studio, I'll click on it, and there you go. So basically you could find these extensions here. All these extensions now are basically downloaded using the default setting of Visual Studio Code. So I'm basically loading it from my C drive, which is normally the listing. You can find it under user and Visual Studio Code like that. So if you look over here, you can see all a list of extensions that have been downloaded here for the ID setting preference. You understand? So we'll see how we can load it from a different extent. But first of all, let me just show you where those extensions can be found. Go to your C drive, go to users, then you go to the user, you go to you locate VS Code, and getting to VS Code, you click on extensions, and boom, there you have it. These are basically all the extensions that are downloaded. So this is basically where Visual Studio by default keeps it. So why would we want to move it? We want to move it in the sense that sometimes we might have our C drive low on storage space, so we might want to move it to another drive. So that's basically the reason why we would want to do that. So basically I will go to my Visual Studio Code and I'll try to cut it. You understand? I'll try to cut it here. I'm trying to move it away from my C drive here, and I'll have to put it somewhere in my my volume F. So I already have a folder here, users. Basically I actually have a way of loading it from there. And so I created a users folder here. So if I open it, I will go to user, and basically I could basically paste it here, or I will just go to user and then I will find it there. You understand? So basically that's the one I already have there. You understand? So I actually just pasted. It's exactly what you have there. So it's same as you just cutting it and moving it to that place. You understand? So I'll just go back to the previous one and delete it so that we would actually see the effect, what is going to happen to our Visual Code environment. You understand? So I will just delete it. I could just basically highlight all of them and I will basically delete it. So just a little it's coming up. Alright, so much extensions to delete. Now we're almost done. Alright, so there you have it. Boom, the whole extensions are gone, and basically I shouldn't be having anyone on my environment. You understand? So basically we are let's head back to our Visual Studio Code and see what effect takes place there. So basically what I'll do is to restart my IDE. Yeah, I'll have to restart it so that I will see the effects in so let me just close this. Alright, then I'll start it again. Visual Studio Code. Now you could see we don't have our extensions there, and if I should go to the extensions listing, you could find that the extension panel does not have anything. It's reading 0, so definitely we have done away with the extensions. So how then can we load it from our volume F? You understand? So this is where things get a bit tricky. You understand? Though it's actually quite easy. So you could basically go to where it's being downloaded, the actual folder, that's the extensions folder, and what you're going to do is to copy the link of the location of that extensions folder that contains all your extensions. Copy it, and let's just hold it for now. Open your command prompt, and what you're going to type is code -- extensions -dir -- so basically we're specifying a new directory extension, and then you just basically and basically you just paste the new distance, the new location. Okay, so there I will now open my Visual Studio Code and and there you have it. Boom, once you click enter, Visual Studio Code opens and it loads up. So that's how we get to load our Visual Studio Code from a different extension path. Please hit the subscribe button, like, and okay, then we might want to have a scenario whereby we are easily trying to do it. So basically I just saved it as a text, you understand. So that once I just click the text, I just copy the part, and then I click CMD, paste and enter. Boom, there you have it. The Visual Code environment loads up with the extension part. You understand. So that's how you do all this. Alright, thanks for watching and hope to see you again. Please like and share and comment. If you need more videos like this, let me know.